Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Junaid Kotwal representing my team Vision. We are from College GM University.
Hello everyone, I am Kadarwas Sonu from GM University A section.
Hello everyone, I am Armi Sania from GMU A section.
Hello everyone, myself Naveen Kumar KH, GMUA section student. Now I am going to explain the starting part of the program. This hash include Windows.h. The purpose header file includes necessary functions and constants for Windows specific programming such as creating and accessing shared memory. Hash include stdio.h. This purpose this header file is used for standard input and output messages. It is used for printing error messages with fprint and for the general functions. Hash include stdenable.h. This purpose the header file is necessary for functions like used to convert string to integers and used for sorting the array. While sort array int size. This purpose this is the declaration of the sort array functions. It takes push parameters array and size in pointer to start of an integer array size, number of elements in the array to sort. Int main, int argchar, argv. This purpose the entire point of the program takes command line arguments argc. The number of arguments passed to the program prints the program name argv, an array of strings representing the arguments passed to the program. Next, my friend Salim will continue the about topic regarding.
Good morning everyone. I am continuing the next part of the code. If argument less than 3. This purpose of this checks if the program is running with a fewer than 3 arguments, the program name and the additional arguments. If so, it prints an error message and exits with a return code of explanation. If the user does not provide a start index and the size, the program will not be able to proceed. Next is int start index is equals to add oi argument 1. Converts this first command line argument from the string to integer. This represents the starting index is shared in array from a where sorting will be begin. Next is int array size at IO argument 2. This converts the second argument command line and from the string to an integer. This represents the number of elements to be shared in the array to be sorted starting from the start index. Next is handle h map file is equals to open file mapping file underscore map all access false text. This line opens an existing mapping object, that is global shared memory, which is a region of memory shared between the processes. It allows the program to access memory created by another processes. Open file mapping returns a handle HMAP file that represents the shared memory object. The file map all access flag allows both reading and writing to be shared memory.
Next, if hmyfile equals null, the purpose of this is it checks open file mapping function whenever it fails and it returns null. If it fails, it prints an error message with specific error code using the get last error and exits the program. In shade array, int map view of file hmap file map all access 00. So here the purpose of this is this maps the shared memory object into the current process address space and making it accessible as an array of integers that is shared array. And that map view of file functions that returns pointer to the shared memory and that allows access to the data stored from there. Then that my file all the access that grants the both read and write access. Then if shared array equals null. The purpose of this is it checks the mapping of the shared memory regions whenever it fails, and that is a map view of file returns the number one.
If memory
If
mapping
memory
fails,
mapping
the
fails, the
program
program
cannot
cannot
operate on the
operate
shared
on
memory.
the shared
So
memory.
the purpose
So the
of this,
purpose of this, if shared memory
equals
equals
this.
this.
Next,
Next,
the sort
the
array
sort array
and shared
and
array
shared
start
array
index
start
array
index
size.
array size.
This calls the
This
sort
calls
array
the sort
function,
array function,
passing the
passing
pointer
the
to
pointer
the
to the
subarray
subarray
that starts
that
at the
starts
start
at the
index,
start index,
and the size
and the
will be
size
in the
will be
array
in the
size.
array size.
This allows a
This allows a
specific
specific
section of the
section of
shared
the
array to be
shared array to be
allowed in the
allowed
memory.
in the memory.
Then next
Then
is
next is
unmapped view of
unmapped view
file
of
shared
file
array.
shared array.
This
This
unmaps the
unmaps
view of
the
shared
view of
memory
shared memory
regions from the
regions from the
process
process
address
address
and
and
release the
release
memory
the
mapping.
memory mapping.
This step is
This
very
step is very
necessary in
necessary in
freeing up the
freeing up the
systems
systems
that reduces
that
the
reduces
shared
the shared
memory
memory
that is no
that is
longer
no longer
needed.
needed.
So last is
So
close
last is close
handle
handle
hatch my
hatch
file.
my file.
This closes
This closes
the handle
the
to the
handle to
shared
the
memory
shared
objects,
memory objects,
and after
and
the
after
program
the
is done,
program is done,
accessing the shared
accessing the
memory,
shared memory,
which is
which
very
is
important
very
to close the
important to close
handle.
the handle.
Then last
Then
is
last
return
is
0.
return zero.
This indicates
This
that the
indicates that
program
the program is
executed
executed
successfully.
successfully.
Hello everyone, I am Junaid. Now I am going to explain the next line why the sort array is
Screen
star
share
array in size. This code is the definition of the sort array function. It accepts a pointer to an integer array and the number of elements to sort. This function is responsible for sorting the specified portion of the array using qsort. Next, qsort array size of int count void plus return int star int a minus int b. This line uses qsort to sort the array. Qsort is the standard and the library function used for sorting array in C. Array it is method used to array to be sorted. Size the number of elements in the array to sort. Size of the size of each element in the array since it's an array of the integers. The comparison function defined as a lambda function compares two integers and return a negative zero or a positive value depending on their order. It sorts the array in ascending order. So if the overall the program takes command line arguments to determine which section of a shared memory array to be sorted. It opens an existing shared segment map it to be process address space and sorts a portion of it. After sorting, the program unmaps the memory and closes the handle to clean up the resources. This code is useful in a multi-process environment where several processes need to work with shared data and each process is responsible for sorting a specific part of an array. Thank you. This was the overall explanation of the code. I thank Shivankura sir to give us the opportunity for this code explanation.